Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Literacy greetings. Soca, ceka, sedaskan. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizila Fiansyah from SNPN 1 Solokan Jeruk, Sabrayan 7. Starting from the identity of the book, title My Little Angel's Tears, number of page 194, author Tasya Hanum, publisher Nuansa, ISBN 602-6409-289 by Rizkrio Alfiansyah. Tears of Disobedient Child. One day, there lived a mother named Nurmala. She was a working woman who sold various fried snacks to make ends meet. She also had a son named Bayu, who was a naughty child. He often skipped school and was rough with his mother. At that time, his mother fell ill and asked Bayu to accompany and take care of her for a while. But Bayu refused and said, "I can't, Mom. I have plans with my friends. Take care of yourself." Nurmala was shocked and hurt by her son's harsh word. One day, Bayu and his friends planned to rob the house of wealthy persons who was empty at the time. His friend said that the owner and his family were out of the house. Without thinking about the consequences, Bayu agreed and immediately made a plan. At night, Bayu and his friends broke into a wealthy person's house. Bayu broke the window and they quickly seized all the wealthy person's belongings. While trying to leave, Bayu got stuck in the window and suddenly there was a sound of a breaking glass. Residents who heard sounds approached and saw Bayu trying to get out. The residents shouted for help and immediately others came and beat up Bayu and his friends. Fortunately, the police arrived just in time to stop the riot. In court, Bayu was found guilty and sentenced for 5 years in the prison. His mother, who was ill, suddenly received news that her sons had been imprisoned for his actions. At that moment, she suffered a heart attack and passed away. Bayu, who was crying in his cell, remembered his mother and desperately wanted to meet her and apologize. But to his surprise, he learned that his mother had passed away. Bayu screamed like a madman, calling out to his mother while crying and hit the wall repeatedly.